Come in here, come in here, come in here, real quick, real quick. Listen, y'all, I'm tired of seeing y'all wigs on top of afros. Okay, flatten it down. I don't want to see nobody else's wig flying off in 2025. Get some pins, stick it in there, keep that wig on your head. It should not be flying off in 2025. I wanted to show you this beautiful wig that I got from Z-Like. I have purchased from Z-Like 3 times. The first time I bought their blonde wig off of Amazon. The second time I bought the 300 density off of TikTok. And then this time I went directly to their website and brought this one. This is a glueless wig. So let me get you the specs. So I ordered the wig on August 5th. This is the Water Wave wig, 100% human hair. This is the 5x5 pre-cut lace wig, 180% density, 24 inches. And I caught it on a sale. They were doing a sale, a special. So I got this for $169.35 back August 5th. The wig shipped 5 days later, August 10th. I did not get my wig until maybe 2 weeks. So listen, I've been buying virgin hair since 2012. 2011 actually. I take that back. 2011 was the first time I bought virgin hair. I've never in the history of buying human hair from China had to wait that long for hair. That's the first time I've waited that long for hair. I'm not gonna lie to you, some people I've purchased hair from them and it literally arrived like the next day or the next day after that, like 2 days max, 3 days max for like the longest I've ever waited for hair. So I don't know if it's because of the whole tariff thing, you know, that's happened recently. So I don't know if it was because of that, but this is the longest I've ever waited for hair. So I want to say it was a good 2 weeks before I received the hair. So I did a video on my TikTok showing how the, you know, hair came packaged and how it looked and did not have any smells, things of that nature. I'm going to also add in a clip of me showing you how I get these defined curls. I only do this like once a week. Sometimes I stretch it and it's twice, sometimes I stretch it and it'll be 2 weeks. And so I show you how the hair looks at that point. This hair is marvelous. I am not saying that because I'm not getting paid for this. I'm not. I purchased this with my own money. It was not sent to me. They did not ask me for a positive review. I am telling you based on my experience of my long many years of wearing virgin hair. Every time I have purchased hair from them, the hair has been good quality. This is the 24 inch. This is how it looks, honey. So this wig is glueless, like I said. So it came with a band in it that was removable. And I did remove the band because the band made it a little too tight for my head. But I am glad that it was removable and I could actually take it out. So I've just literally been putting this wig on my head. And look how flat it is. Look how it's sitting. And usually, because I've had a glueless wig before, child, I caught HE double hockey sticks trying to get that wig to sit down. But as you can see, this wig, it lays flat. So I love the construction of this wig. It also makes room for your ear to come out. So they put like a little space there for the ears. I love that. I really feel like they paid very good detail to the construction of the wig. I feel like even though this is 180 density, I feel like it's got a nice fullness to it. Some 180 density wigs can be thin, which was the reason that I wanted to try their 300 density wig. Now that wig, I ain't gonna lie to you, for like curly hair, it's heavy. It's heavy, which is what made me go back and purchase the 180 glueless, because I didn't want to have to. I wear this wig to work every day, y'all. every day. So I didn't want to keep fighting. This, as you saw, I said I purchased in August. It's the middle of summer. I didn't want to deal with the glue and the wig sliding back and all of that. I wanted it to stay on. So far so good. I am loving this hair. It is now currently November, honey, and I am still rocking this hair. This hair is showing no signs of stopping. So I really enjoy getting hair from them. Okay, so this is my Z-like wig, and it has been 2 weeks since I have reset this hair, and this is what it is looking like currently. I'm going to show you how I sleep the wig down. I have this Suave Max Hold Mousse, and then I have my little spray bottle filled with water and conditioner. Use whatever conditioner you want to use. I have been doing this process since, what, 2012, when I have curly hair. I'm going to drench this hair with my solution that I've made up. Make sure you get it as wet as you can. Okay, so I've started the process of drenching the hair. I'm going to take a paddle brush and I'm going to comb through the hair. Now, if you comb through the hair when it's dry, it's going to give you Diana Ross. So if that's the kind of look you're going for, then by all means do that. I like to flatten the hair and make it sleek and wavy and curly, and then just let it naturally build throughout the week. It just gets, you know, a little more puffy. And I'm just brushing my hair the way I want it to set overnight. Because what I'm going to do is take this wig off, hang it up, let it dry, and wear it in the morning. So now that I have it sleeked exactly the way I want it, and then just pressing it in to make sure it's flat, I'm going to take my mousse. And I like to start at the ends because you really want the ends to focus. So I like to get it in my hands and take the ends and get in there, honey. And just make sure it's getting worked all through the hair. And see how that looks now. And it's a lot flatter. So I'm going to go put this wig away, let it sit overnight, dry, and I'm going to come back in the morning and show you how it looks once it dries. This is how I done went to church, I done went on a date, I done did a whole bunch of stuff, honey, and it's what, currently 11 at night, and I'm finally getting a chance to sit down and finish this video. And this is what the hair is looking like after being out there in the wild, fighting for my life, girl. So yes, this is how it came out. So if there is another hair company that you would like me to review, leave them down in the comment section. This hair doesn't shed bad at all, y'all. I'm impressed. And it's very hard to impress me. Let me just say that. It's very hard to impress me after I've been wearing virgin hair all of these years, because I've tried it all. Okay, and I told you I used to be a wig influencer, so they used to send me wigs. They used to send me wigs, and I got the stack. You know what I'm saying? I got quite a few that I still wear to this day, that I have been sent, and that hair is still good to this day. Hair that I got back in 2012 that I still rock to this day. I made the wig myself. You know, they sent me bundled hair, and I went and got the sewing and made my own wig, and I still wear that hair to this day. So I've gotten some decent hair. I know when hair is decent enough. So I just wanted to get this review out there because I totally vetted this hair. So listen, if you enjoyed this review, I want you to go ahead, press that subscribe button, become a Ronnie Bae, watch some other videos. I love to do hair, I love to do makeup, I love to do TikToks. I'm a mom. I like to cook, dabble with cooking here and there, and I own a plus size boutique, a Rhonda company. So please check me out. Links will be down in the description box below. Go ahead, get familiar, look around. Let's be friends, boo. Why not? Okay, we all need a little love. Smooches.